Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest Northern Expedition update in Roblox Fish, which has introduced 6 amazing new fishing rods. Among them, the Crystallized Rod stands out. Want to know how to get it? Stick around because I'll walk you through the step-by-step process and share some tips about this rod. The Crystallized Rod is located on the Northern Expedition Island, a beautiful, snowy addition to the game. But there's a small catch. To get your hands on this rod, you'll need to solve a puzzle with a friend. Sounds fun, right? Let's jump in and find out how to do it. First, you need to make your way to the Northern Expedition Island. Spawn your boat and head south of Harvester's Spike. Look for the portal in the area and pass through it to reach the island. Easy so far, right? Once you're on the island, climb the mountain until you reach the second base camp. You'll notice the avalanche rod here, so it's a great place to refill your oxygen tank and warm up. After that, turn around and follow the snowy path ahead. Keep climbing the stairs and following the snowy trail until you reach a snow-covered bridge. Cross the bridge, and you'll find the crystallized rod at the center of 2 pedestals, frozen solid in a block of ice. Here's the fun part, the puzzle. You'll need a friend to help you out. During the daytime, both of you need to stand on 1 pedestal each. But that's not all. You both need to equip a glass diamond, which can be caught in freshwater bodies on the mountain. When you hold the glass diamond, a light beam will strike it. Reflect the beam toward your friend, and they'll do the same, finally aiming it at the frozen rod. The light will melt the ice, making the rod available for purchase. Once the ice is melted, you can buy the crystallized rod for 35,000 cash. Not only do you unlock the rod, but you'll also get some extra goodies like free cash, bait, and more. Don't forget to use fish codes to grab additional rewards. So, is the crystallized rod worth it? Let's check out its stats. Lure speed, 35%. Luck, 45%. Control, 0.15. Resilience, 15%. Max, KG, 25,000. This rod is perfect for mid-game farming, thanks to its high lure speed and luck. While it doesn't have a passive ability, it's still a solid choice for catching better fish quickly. If you're planning to enchant it, I recommend the Hasty or Divine enchantments to boost its stats further, but keep in mind, you'll find better rods later in the game, so maybe save your resources. And that's how you can get the crystallized rod in Roblox Fish. Are you ready to tackle this puzzle with a friend? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Roblox tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.